The Zenvo TSR-S made its debut at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show, packing 1,177 horsepower. Basically a street-legal version of the Zenvo TSR, the TSR-S features a 5.8-litre V8 engine with twin superchargers for 1,177 bhp along with 811 pound-feet of torque. The two-seater, mid-engine supercar rides on a lightweight steel and aluminium semi-monocoque chassis with front and rear racing steel subframes, tipping the scales at 3,296 pounds, 1,495 kilograms, in what Zenvo calls ultimate specification. The result is a 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, time of 2.8 seconds, on its way to an electronically limited top speed of 202 miles per hour, 325 kilometers per hour. One of the highlights of the TSR-S is the innovative active multi-axis centripetal wing, which plays a part in helping the car generate more than 3 times as much downforce as the TS1 GT. The rear wing features 2 rotational axes that allow it to function as both an air brake and a cornering stabilizer, says Zenvo. The centripetal wing is an exceptional development that allows for increased grip and higher cornering speed, explains Troels Volletson, Chief Technical Officer and founder of Zenvo. Whereas most supercars only achieve optimum downforce in cornering at a certain speed, the multi-rotational function of the wing distributes downforce in an innovative way to deliver the optimum amount of cornering grip at any speed. Whilst lifting to boost downforce, the wing also tilts while cornering, for example, lifting the left side of the wing when cornering left and vice versa, to propel the car to the inside of the corner, ensuring exceptional stability and grip. The supercar offers 3 different driving modes: minimum, IQ, and maximum. The minimum setting offers 700 bhp, while the maximum does as its name suggests, unlocking the full 1,177 bhp potential. The IQ setting, however, is an autonomous setting that cleverly provides race car for the road driving characteristics. In this mode, the advanced traction control system continuously assesses the grip of the tires on the road, limiting the power accordingly. Basically, the IQ mode helps ensure maximum power is delivered to the rear wheels whenever possible. Another interesting feature on the TSR-S is its 2 distinct gearbox settings, allowing owners to switch between standard road gearbox and race gearbox operation. In road setting, gear changes are electronic, with sensors adjusting the 7-speed paddle shift gearbox, helping remove the harshness often experienced by a dog box. In race setting, the direct mechanical power shift gear change is one of the fastest shifting powertrains available. Production of the Zenvo TSR-S will be limited to just 5 units annually, helping ensure owners are unlikely to ever encounter another Zenvo in public. Each car is fully customizable to order, so buyers can truly make it their own.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.